Number two, with life insurance, you can save the home. Some never put this in the equation, but how is your family going to survive? How is your spouse going to keep that home? Most of the time, the home is the biggest expense. It can be $1,500 today, $1,200, $2,000. One of my friends is getting a home. It's over $2,000 a month, and that is a huge expense. They've got good salaries, but if one of them were out of the picture, it would be a significant stress on the other person to manage that home and that financial requirement of the mortgage. So what you can do in your life insurance is you can get more than the final expense, and you can put extra payments, enough for a year of payments, 2 years of payments, enough to pay off the home, whatever the scenario is that it would work in your budget. You could set up so your mortgage is protected. You have equity in that home, and if your family loses that home, it's going to be a lot of your hard work down the drain. So I wanted to tell you another story. I'd walked up on a family. This was when I was in another element of the insurance industry. I was doing inspections, and I was up on this home, and the daughter, I'd seen that she had just gotten there, and she was moving in luggage, and she talked to me through the window. Actually, I was doing the inspection around the home, and I said, "Hey, how are you? Just don't want to frighten you. I talked to your mom out front," and she said, "Yeah, we're okay." I said, "How are you doing?" She said, "Well, mom's having to move out of the house because dad had cancer for 2 years, and everything they had went into his survival, and he finally passed." And she said, "I'm going to be helping mom over the next few days move out of this house." And I was just devastated. I was like, "Oh my goodness." And he had just passed a few weeks ago, and she was already having to move out because they had gotten behind. And I didn't ask, but it looked like it was a foreclosure. What a sad situation. What a tough scenario to be in. With life insurance, you can protect that mortgage. You can have something in there that will pay for the mortgage, or a portion, or even all of the mortgage. So set that up with your insurance agent. Call me, whatever the case, we can set it up to give a little bit of a buffer zone there for your family.